Kai Kai. How that you now? Me have a matter for your dress you now. Forward yourself. Mr. Vegas, what you gonna do you now? You gonna turn off you now. You gonna turn off you now. You can't violate Drizzy Drake you now.
You get burn off you now.
Things you gonna jump you now. Listen me now. Don't try to violate my brother now. You don't know anything about Unruly or OVO. You don't need to defend Popcorn. Can you see? When we go Sanga, Sting, in my trench coat, 3 white, you tweet and say I dress me out here. I know no Unruly man now wear dress.
You dress so good.
You only squeeze girl breast you now. Half of your bullet in a boy chest you now.
You jump fence you now.
So here what? That's how Drizzy Drake you. We can handle our own matter. You see me, we don't need your help. And Bunty kid at the telephone in time, they say, Lord, the youths them here now. This are the truth. Leave the youth alone, Vegas. Hold on. You hear? No rap. How we never Unruly? How we don't need your help? You turn off you now.
Off in peace you now.
Wicked. After watching Mr. Vegas' multiple videos dissing Drake, I said to myself, I knew this was going to happen. It was going to be just a matter of time before Popcorn responded in defense of Drake while dissing Mr. Vegas. Mainly because they are not friends, because Mr. Vegas dissed Popcorn in the past, and Drake is Popcorn's friend and hope to a major success. People, this is real talk. The person who is more popular will always be favored. He can do no wrong in most cases. Why is this? The answer is simple. That person is more likely to present an opportunity. Drake is a strong link and Mr. Vegas is a weak fence in this situation. Mr. Vegas should not have taken up Popcorn, Beenie Man, Serrani and Movado's personal affairs. If they did not have a problem with how they were included in Drake's album Views, then he should have left it alone. Mr. Vegas, rule number 1, you don't try to represent someone that you and them are not cool like that. Popcorn and Drake are on the same team, OVO. They are indirect families. They have a bond, and one should not get between a family fight, especially when those family members came out in public and said that everything is good. Obviously, if there was a problem between them, they felt as if they could work that out internally. Mr. Vegas' reputation is what is his biggest problem. Most people see him as a troublemaker or a bit bad mind. He's often ranting about different situations. Sometimes his points were valid, but sometimes it was viewed as if he was just looking at hype and a buzz to enhance his own career. Mr. Vegas, you have to be very careful about the things that you say and who you diss. Those actions could often come back to haunt you. Drake is one of the biggest artists in hip-hop. To diss him could be detrimental to your career. You have to be careful about the backlash, backlist, and the politics of the music industry. In closing, I would like to say that I respect Mr. Vegas as an artist. He has a body of work that is commendable. But you must learn to choose your battles while standing up for your rights. You must know how to strike a balance and don't let your emotions get the best of you. Popcorn, you are a very good artist with enormous potentials, and I hope that you are standing up for your rights and not allowing yourself to be used by Drake or anyone else. You must know your value and demand respect accordingly. People, what do you really think about Popcorn's response defending Drake? Do you think that was justified, or was he selling out dancehall because he wants the respect of Drake and that paycheck? Comment and let me know what you really think. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.